Hello, this is Miranda Quintero. I am here to tell you about my Padlet lesson. This Padlet lesson is focusing on the benefits and downsides of using social media as a young teen. That's the title, Teens and Social Media. The AASL standard that I chose is C22, which states that learners exhibit empathy with and tolerance for diverse ideas by contributing to discussions in which multiple viewpoints on a topic are expressed. I have the standard here in the first box under the main title. I believe this standard is important to this topic and to the learner because it is requiring learners view various viewpoints around a certain topic. This is something that all learners need to be able to do, but allowing that space for empathy and putting themselves in other people's shoes is extremely important, especially with teenagers. I would use this lesson with an 8th grade class, and the topic question would be, should young teens that are 13 to 15 years old be allowed to have social media accounts? Social media is a very hot button topic in our technological society. Having a lesson where students have to consider the pros and cons to using social media as young people would give them the opportunity to reflect on their own use of the different social platforms. My discussion question, should young teens be allowed to have social media accounts, gives the students the ability to consider the fact that while SIPA and COPA require parent permission for their under 12-year-old children to use online accounts, there's a little bit more gray area for those teens who are a little bit older. This can be controversial because 13 to 15-year-olds are engaging with social media, and this is definitely having an effect. I have chosen a variety of materials that are positive and negative, and I have mixed them in so that the students are able to look and see what they really, could do. There's videos, there's different articles talking about surprising ways that they can benefit. And then there's also talking about negative things like cyberbullying and social media and how the effects of cyberbullying maybe is causing depression and in teens and seeing that rise in those negative aspects. However, there's also positive things like 100 ways to use social media in the classroom so that they can see that it's not just bad things, it's also some positive things. This is an important topic, and it will be explored by students. They'll be able to form their own opinions, and they can create their own support for either allowing teens to have social media, young teens to have social media, or not allowing young teens to have social media because of certain concerns. Thank you very much.